Hi, I am Bhupesh Joshi, and you are about to see is not just a hackathon entry, it's my answer to a very real problem. What if finding a blood donor was as easy as chatting with a bot? What if mental support don't need an appointment? Problem statement. In India alone, thousands of thalassemia patients rely on regular blood transfusions. They find numerous challenges such as finding regular blood donors, assessing quality medical care, managing the financial burden of lifelong treatment. Additionally, there are lack of awareness. And this is working on local. And let's discuss the innovation. I built an AI chatbot solution that acts like a blood bank locator bot, which finds blood in different state, blood group, categories, and filter by city, name, and a psychologist AI chatbot. What's inside the app? It's a full stack app with React and Express.js. AI features trained with custom emotional response prompts, blood bank data integrated and filtered by group type isolation, fully functional on local server with plans for version 2 development. Here is version 2. Here is mood boosting feature as well as and mood boosting, like a person is stressed, then they can uh, log mood and search to YouTube for public videos, and here they can find their blood groups in both. So it provided them number. In our current version, uh, we still have this feature, but chatbot showcasing a feature in different way. Like A plus Blood in Delhi, then it provides contact details of hospitals in Delhi, and even people can find from here as well as. mm, they can search. I have trained 2 3 chatbots in one application. Let's discuss about challenge faced due to time and server limits. Full deployment hit roadblocks, but the core experience is live, working locally. I also prepared a version 2 roadmap with cloud deployment and advanced integrations. Like I want to deploy version 2, but I face problems uh, like system issues, and these things I faced. Also, my application is being increasing size, and my system starts hanging. Also used for this solution, I have used same project with AI agents system and use ChatGPT generative AI. White matters. This project live, and version 1 is working fine, and it is manageable and scalable and maintainable. Even we can train in large amount of data. Like if we want to train on India data, we can train on India data, and then we can train on Red Cross data worldwide. So I have trained uh, on some data in Indian hospital. They have Red Cross blood also. Red Cross is US blood. White matters. It just a tech for tech's sake. No, it isn't just tech for tech's sake. It's tool that can save lives and heal minds. Whether someone needs a blood unit or just to be heard, this app shows up for them. Even they can contact a blood bank, for dengue, in case of dengue patients. Uh, they contact, like relatives contact blood bank for a type of blood they needed. What impact it will make? In just 11 days after recovering a major system crash, I built a project I uh, built a project truly believe in. This is only the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I hope to turn this prototype into something that touches lives. Made with love by Bhupesh Joshi uh, for hackathon submission, built with purpose. For AI for good hackathon, harnessing the power of AI for positive social impact.